Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya wal mursalin. Nabiyina wa habibina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Wa man tabi'ahum bi ihsanin ila yaumiddin amma ba'du. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, today I will presenting our community service activities with the entitled I want to share screen. Community participation in rural community development based on micro hydropower project with the head of team Desi Rahmawati. The community service partners are Purwoharjo Village Community in Samigaluh District, Kulon Progo, Yogyakarta. This is the outline of presentation, the urgency of community service activity, and then the method of community service activity, the result and discussion, policy recommendation, and conclusion. What is the urgency of community service activity? Purwoharjo village have experience in landslide disaster in 2008 and then result in many of the local residents' houses being affected by landslide. So they were relocated to the other location as place to live. And then in 2009, pipes were installed to produce electrical power for the people living in the area after the landslide disaster occurred. What is the benefit of using microhydro project in Purwoharjo village are as street lights, and then for household electricity needs for some people who live near the generating area. But the problems faced by the Kedungrong micro hydropower plant that include funds the new problems, that is the waste, and it always concerns the dam filters. And in the micro hydro project plant control room, where every day an average of 8 and until 10 kilograms of waste is always produced, so that the benefit of the program can continue. A study is very needed related to the role of community participation in Purwoharjo village on the empowerment of the Purwoharjo village community. This is the method. The first what we do on there is we mapping the potential and then the problems and then what is the needs of the village communities. And then the second stage is we are doing selection of the activity program based on the potential and then the problems and then the needs of the communities. And then and then the next is we are analysis of community participation in community empowerment in Purwoharjo village. What the EVAC participation community to empowerment community in Purwoharjo village. And then the next, what we do is we are analysis to know what is the variable that affect the community participation. And then we choose the respondent or the sample to doing the in-depth interviews. And then after we choose the sample respondent, the result we do by method analysis by structural equation modeling with partial least square, because the respondent is not the beneficiary electricity from micro hydropower plant in Purwoharjo village, not until 100 people. So we do by partially square. And based on the analysis of the results of the inner model tasks in this figure, we can conclude that all indicators that we used in this study show a positive path coefficient. And then it means this all variable effect to empowerment, and then impact to development, rural development. So in here we the variables that we use in here, that the first is participation, yeah, the participation, and then uh, social capital, and then the supporting groups, and then the personal characteristic. We used 5 variables to the effect to empowerment people, communities in the rural, how effect to development, rural development. So until we do the data analyze, the result we have R-squared value and significance are two components that become that indicate that the model is robust, moderate, and weak respectively. And then furthermore, the standard used to assess the inner model is significance. And then the T value for the significance of the 2 layers is the significance level of 10%. 1.96 is the significance level of 5%, and 2.58 is the significance level of 1%. 1%. So this is the other results. Yeah. In this study, hypothesis testing has been carried out. The hypothesis is accepted when the p-value is less than 0.05, and then the first hypothesis of individual characteristic to beneficiary empowerment has at the t-statistic value of 0.6061. Lower than 1.96 and p-value 0.509, that higher than 0.05. The effect of participation on the empowerment micro hydropower plant beneficiary, the first is the analysis has been carried out, shows no relationship between the participation variable and the empowerment variable of power of the micro hydropower plant. The T statistic value obtained 0.987 is lower than 1.96, and the p-value of 0.263 is higher than 0.05. According to the study result, the level of community participation in managing the Bayang Jania micro hydro power plant is very high. In the analysis of social capital, it has a positive and significant effect on the empowerment of micro hydropower plant. This it can be seen from the T statistic, and then so we have the conclusion that the impact of community empowerment using micro hydropower plant on the environment in Kedung Rong, Kulon Progo show that micro hydropower plant can empower the community intelligently. The empowering rural people through a micro hydropower plant contributes positively to economic welfare and maintains a balance with the surrounding environment, which result in sustainable development. So that is the final presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.